Imagine this. You're at a restaurant. The waiter is waiting.
And your mind is blank.
You're hungry, but your English is shy.
Don't worry. Today, we'll teach you simple English for restaurants.
Stay till the end. We'll practice a full restaurant conversation together.
Welcome to Mrs. English Podcast.
Today's topic is very practical.
After this episode, you'll feel confident ordering food in English.
No difficult grammar, just real-life English.
When you arrive, the staff may say, "Hello, table for 1 or 2?"
You can answer, "Table for 1, please." "Table for 2, please."
They may ask, "Do you have a reservation?"
Answer, "Yes, I do." "No, I don't."
After you sit down, you can say, "May I see the menu, please?"
Can we have the menu?
Very polite and simple.
Sometimes they ask, "Are you ready to order?"
This is the most important part.
Use these simple sentences. "I'd like the chicken, please." "I'll have the pasta."
For drinks, "I'd like water. Can I have a coffee?"
You don't need long sentences.
You can ask questions before ordering.
Useful questions. What do you recommend? Is this spicy? Does this have meat?
If you have allergies, "I'm allergic to nuts. I can't eat dairy."
Very important for your health.
If you need something, say, "Excuse me."
Can I have some water, please?
If there's a problem, "This is cold. Sorry, this is not what I ordered."
Polite English works best.
After the main dish, they may ask, "Would you like dessert?"
You can say, "Yes, please." "No, thank you."
Simple and natural.
When you finish, say, "Can I have the bill, please?" "Check, please."
If you want to pay, "By card, please."
"Hello, table for 2?"
"Yes, please."
"Here's the menu. Are you ready to order?"
"Yes, I'd like the chicken and a glass of water."
"Anything else?"
"No, that's all. Thank you."
Perfect. Very natural English. Mistake 1 is being too quiet.
Mistake 2 is using very difficult words.
Mistake 3 is being afraid to ask.
Simple English is correct English.
Now your turn. Say it out loud.
1. I'd like a table for 2. 2. I'll have the soup, please. 3. Can I have the bill, please?
Practice builds confidence.
You can eat anywhere in the world.
And speak English confidently.
One restaurant at a time.
Thank you for listening to How to Talk in English at the Restaurant.
Subscribe to Mrs. English for real-life English.
See you next time.
Welcome back. If you're here for part 2, you're ready to speak confidently at any restaurant.
In part 1, we learned basic restaurant English.
Today, we'll talk about cafes, fast food, special requests, complaints, and tipping.
Stay till the end. We'll practice a real cafe conversation.
Cafes, casual and fast.
Cafes are usually fast and casual.
Section 10, Cafe English, 1 to 5 minutes. The staff may ask, "What can I get for you?"
You can say, "I'd like a latte, please." "Can I have a cappuccino?"
For size, small please, medium please, large please.
Section 11. Fast food English, 5 to 9 minutes.
Fast food places are very common.
You may hear for here or to go.
Answer, for here, please. To go, please.
Ordering example. I'll have a burger and fries.
Special requests, 9 to 13 minutes.
Sometimes you need to change the order.
Use, no onions, please. Can I have this without cheese?
Very polite phrase. Is it possible to?
This sounds respectful. Complaints, polite way, 14 to 17 minutes.
What if there's a problem?
Stay calm and polite.
Say, excuse me, this is cold. Sorry, this is not what I ordered.
Polite English gets better results. Tipping and paying, 17 to 20 minutes.
In some countries, tipping is common.
You can ask, is service included?
Paying phrases. Can I pay by card? Cash, please.
Simple and clear. Full cafe role play, 20 to 26 minutes. Hi, what can I get for you?
I'd like a medium latte, please.
For here or to go?
To go, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Perfect cafe English. Common mistakes, 26 to 28 minutes.
Mistake 1, speaking too fast.
Mistake 2, not saying please.
Mistake 3, being afraid to ask.
Politeness is power. Practice for listeners, 28 to 30 minutes.
Repeat after us.
I'd like a coffee, please. For here or to go? Can I pay by card?
Say it out loud.
Final message, 30 to 31 minutes. Restaurants are places to enjoy.
Not to stress about English.
Simple phrases are enough. Closing, 31 to 32 minutes.
Thank you for listening to How to Talk in English at the Restaurant, Part 2.
Subscribe to Mrs. English for real-life English.
See you next time.
Welcome to Part 3. This is where your restaurant English becomes confident and professional.
In Parts 1 and 2, we learned basic, cafe, and fast food English.
Today, we'll talk about fine dining, reservations, problems, compliments, and cultural tips.
Stay till the end. We'll practice a full fine dining conversation.
Let's start before you arrive. Reservations.
On the phone or online, you may hear, I'd like to make a reservation.
Useful answers. I'd like a table for 2. For tonight at 7 p.m.
They may ask, what name is the reservation under?
Answer, it's under Jessica.
In a nice restaurant, language is more formal.
Waiter may say, good evening, welcome.
You can say, good evening, thank you.
Ordering politely. I'd like to start with the soup. For the main course, I'll have the fish.
Excellent choice. Anything to drink?
Just water, please. Perfect, elegant, and confident English.
Not sure what to order?
Say, what do you recommend? What's popular here?
For drinks, what wine goes well with this?
Very natural restaurant English.
Sometimes things go wrong.
Use calm and polite English.
Say, excuse me, there seems to be a mistake.
This isn't what I ordered.
Never shout. Politeness works.
When the food is good, say it.
Compliments. The food is delicious. Everything was excellent. Great service.
Staff appreciate kind words.
Restaurant culture is different around the world.
In many countries, waiters don't rush you. Saying please and thank you is important.
Eye contact and a smile help.
Good evening. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, a table for 2 under Jessica.
Right this way. May I take your order?
Yes, I'd like to start with the salad. For the main course, I'll have the salmon.
Excellent choice. Anything to drink?
Just water, please.
Mistake 1. Overthinking.
Mistake 2, being too quiet.
Mistake 3. Forgetting politeness.
Simple plus polite equals success.
Repeat after us. I'd like to make a reservation. What do you recommend? Everything was delicious.
Say it with confidence.
You can eat anywhere in the world.
You can order confidently.
English should help you enjoy life.
Thank you for listening to How to Talk in English at the Restaurant, Part 3.
Subscribe to Mrs. English for real-life English.
See you next time.